Hello, welcome back to Screencast 6. So we're still on the home page, but now we are moving to down. This is 2E. Yes, we're going to the lower section of our page. You remember that earlier we actually divided the old home page into 3 sections. Yeah, we dealt with the top section. Then afterwards we moved on to the middle section. But now we have this lower section, left to finish up. So now looking at the lower section, yeah. So we're gonna take care of it this way. This is how we've broken it down this way, to give us more depth and context, just to fix up things. So we're gonna have, an area here, a text area first. Same thing goes here, and and also here too for email, phone number. Yeah. Then we'll move on to the footer text and background. Yes, the footer will look like this. Then eventually, we'll get this background. And it will be nice for us to have like social media icon on the page. Basically, that will be it. So moving forward, I hope we still remember this link, right? This is where we have all of our images that we're gonna use. So let's get our hands to work now. So you remember how we get to our site. Let me remind us on that. So we do site.google.com, right? You always to remember that. Yeah, so basically, I do this. Yeah, so we just do that also. So we do site.google.com. So we move, yes. Okay, so let's see. It's taking its time. Okay, so basically, this is where we have I actually just talked about this link, right? So once you hit this link, basically to bring you over to where we have all of this, on Google Drive, right? So you remember we have 2 folders here. Basically so we have one which is called the social media icons, and we have the other one which is now the pictures folder. So you remember that we actually use this on the other hand here, just to give us a more just the view, at least basically we can actually sweep it, so in this way you can also flip it back. So let's open one of the folders, like the one that has like the social media icon, so let's just see, just to show us. So it will be good for the site at least to have something like that. So already I did some updates for us there, so you could just download it and use as you wish. So this is our page. It's coming up. So once you get here, site.google.com, to just launch your site back, you just click on the one you have already saved. Then voila, it will run and everything should be moving. So let me look at that again, so we know. So at the same time, you remember it's good for us to have like a view of what we're working on by the side. This will allow us to basically we can always refer to it. I just like to have this by the side, just to be able to reference it. Okay, so that's coming up. I just want this. I think it's good. Okay, cool. Okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. Right, so now we're gonna work on this area, text area first, and it looks like something will finish pretty quick now. So let's come here. We have this is our beautiful site. We have it down. So yes, we want to have it here. So going to we have our insert pages, we have themes. So we always stick to insert, right? Insert is where anything we want to bring in here, insert. So let's see. So which one of it looks like what we want to do? So let me look at it again. So we want to put in just 3 text areas. It looks pretty simple, right? So let's see which one of those layout fits it. You could see like this one, so let's try this. But this one has images here. So what do we need to do? Okay, it's very easy. So we just click on the spot, right? Okay, let's see that. Okay, so now let's understand this part. Me moving the mouse on it, do you notice like the whole box gets up to this point, right? Very big. And I don't want to delete all of them. I just want to take away the image part. You know, I think if I take away this image part only, right? You know, you can see now I had to click one again and one again. You see now, wait, clicking here once, it's selecting everything, both the one with the image and the other one down here. But I want this two down here to stay. I just want the box up here to go. So I'm gonna click out, right? Then I'm gonna come and click the one with the image once and clicking on it again. So you can see now that it's only this they selected. So I'm just gonna come down, yeah, to this part here. You can see delete this file, so I'm gonna delete it. Woo! So this is what we're trying to achieve, you know. So we just do that to, yes, you know, to the remaining ones. Yeah, we do that. Okay, cool. Yeah, we do. Okay, cool. Yeah, you see, we achieved it. So what we're trying to do now, we have address up, then we put an address down here. So we're gonna put here, you know, so I think we have here, let's type address, address, right? So so let's put it down, you know, so we could put here, so yeah, we can, maybe we'll put the address there. So let me just copy a little bit of, you know, text here. I'm assuming this is like the address. Yeah, this must be some kind of funny address, right? Yeah, so okay, cool. Uh-oh, let's see, how does that look? Okay, not bad. So yeah, maybe this like the address. Let's see, you know, just, yeah, put the address here. Yeah, it's a little bit bold. Yeah, this must have been a very long address. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it bold. Yeah, just make it look nice. And okay, so we have address, then we have phone number. So we could come down here and just put phone number, right? Okay, so we're gonna have this. So yeah, no, phone number can't look that weird. Yeah. So yeah, let's just put something here. So I'm gonna put +234, you know, and put 803606, yeah, 5257, right? And then yeah, we'll also put yeah, let me put it 234, so let's do 805285 and then 1874, right? Something like that. Do like two numbers. Then yes, just make it a little bit bold, you know. Yeah, it's looking fine. Okay, we have to make the phone number part too bold. It's just to, you know, I think it's looking good, right? Then we have the last one, which is the email address. So yeah, we'll do that too. We'll do email address, right? So I lied, bold. Yes, let's type here. So the first email is heyday@notifyic.com. Then the second one is yeah, the GVG and Booger, let's see, at gmail.com. So we'll do that, and then okay, cool. Then highlight, bold, yeah, looks fine. So I think we're pretty, you know, yeah, it looks very good. Okay, so this looks fine. So let's preview. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. Okay, so it's up. Yeah, well, everything looks fine. You see our site is coming up. Beautiful. Okay, so we have this. So now everything looks good. Yes, let's move on to, you know, the footer part now. So we want to have this footer. So yeah, I noticed I saw footer here. So yes, the footer. So add footer. Yeah, we just clicked here, you know. Uh-oh, this footer looks cool. So let's see. You see, we could type something here on the footer. So yeah, in a way, what we have here, we have copyright, you know, with C sign 2020, and let's see. Then yeah, notify academy, all right, reserved. Yeah, I think we could pretty much do that here. So we could just do what now? Okay, let me just see that. So let's make this. We could do so we do copyright, copyright, RIGHT, you know. Yeah, let's just give it. So we're gonna give it that copyright sign. Yeah, don't worry, we'll find it somewhere. So I'm gonna put 2020, then 12, then yeah, you could use a tab. Then you could do the pipe sign. Yeah, for you to do this pipe sign, you hold down the shift key. You know, there are two shift key on the keyboard, right, of the computer. So you're gonna hold down the shift key on the right hand side. Yes, the one that is very close to the enter key, the big enter key. So you hold down the shift key, and the key on the keyboard that is directly above the shift key, you know, that's what gives that sign. It's called the pipe sign. So you're gonna put this. We say notify academy, right? So do 1 2, then put a pipe sign again, 1 2, then do all right. Yeah, all right, reserved. Yep. Then 1 2, then you put a pipe sign, 1 2, then you say follow. Yes, sorry, follow. Yeah, follow us and social media, something like that. Social media. Yeah, that looks cool. So yes, this one we want to put down there, right? Yeah, it looks too big. Let me make it a little bit smaller so we can see, to double check, just to be sure that we don't have typos on it. So yeah, that's taking time, it's stinking. Okay, anyways, so we should look for, okay, it's out. Yeah, so let me scroll up, let me just make it 14. Yeah, I just want to see it. Yes, copyright. You know, we're supposed to have, you know, yes, that copyright sign. Okay, you know, yeah, if you're looking for copyright sign, you know, Google is wonderful. So let's look for copyright sign. You know, let's say copyright, Google. Yeah, copy, RIGHT. You know, yes, you just, yeah, I just want to get the sign. Yes, the C sign. You just copy. What was it? Oh, the copyright sign is missing. Okay, so I know we're gonna find one. The copyright symbol. Yeah, sorry, copyright symbol. So let's see. Yay, we have it here. So let's see. Yeah, it's easier this way. Okay. Yeah, let me pick this one here. So copyright. Then I just want to put it here. So after copyright, yeah, yep. So we'll put it there. Yay! So we have it. So yes, let's see. We have that, right? Okay, cool. So we could take this now. Control A, Control C, and yes. Let's see that. Then I'm gonna paste it here, right? Let's do that. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, looks cool. Yeah, it looks a little bit small. Maybe we could make it bigger, right? I think so. Let's see that. Okay, so we're gonna make it a little bit bigger. It looks too small for me. Yes, so let's do add in. Yeah, that's too big. Normal text. Yeah, this looks yeah, this looks fairly okay, right? Okay, so maybe we're gonna make it down here to come to, yes, just bring these down. Awesome. Uh-oh, we don't want it to break. No, you're not gonna break. Wait. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So we could put that, if you want to align center, right? Okay, so we could align center. Yeah, we can make it bold, sort of, just make it look nice. Yeah, let's click out. Okay, looks fine. So what else? What are we missing? Of course, the background. Yes. So we could do this. Yeah. So can we move it down? Okay, that's fine. So we could come here, set background. So we can make the background emphasis 2. Wow. So we're moving. It looks beautiful. Okay. So what we need to do now? Okay. So everything looks fine. In a way. Yeah. So we need to have our social media icons here, right? They look big. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so yeah, I noticed yes, there was no provision for that, you know. So yeah, let me see how we're gonna do that. Social media icon. So we'll look for something. Yes, so let's see. Let me do like a placeholder. Oh, interesting. So I'm gonna have a placeholder, then I'm gonna make the placeholder. Okay, this looks cool. Interesting. So, but this one I want to do, right? Okay, so I just want it to be like the size. Let's see, it looks big. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna move this placeholder. I want to move it here. Yay, it's here, right? So what I want to do to the placeholder now is I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna copy, Control C. I'm gonna come here and paste. You know, yes, Control C and paste. I'm gonna put a second placeholder here. Then I'm gonna click on the bold. Hold down the shift key on the keyboard, click and hold. When you hold down the shift key and click, so both of them is, I assume both of them will be selected anyways. Okay, don't worry. Let's do the slow way. So I'm gonna copy again. I'm gonna click here, empty space, and I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so it's dropping here. I'll come here. Okay, sorry. Click, hold, drag, and yes. Uh-oh. I think looks like changes you made may not be saved. Okay, cancel. I'm not doing that. That wasn't like a mistake. So I'm gonna carry this and come here. Yes, this is exactly what I was trying to do. So we want about, yeah, 1, 2, 3. How many social media icons? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's fine. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, yeah, and YouTube. Okay, that's perfect. So yeah, one more. So let's do that. So yeah, this is more like a very funny way to do, to get it, social media icons. But of course, it took me like so many research to be able to achieve this. So anyway, so yeah, I think the things here look a little bit big. So yeah, maybe we should make it small. Yeah, sort of. Like all of those things are not always very big, but it looks like one can't even see. Okay, so let me click here. I just want them to have like enough spaces, Yeah, just a little bit, Yeah, some space between, everything. Okay, something like that, right? Yeah, it still looks small. Yeah, let's see. What can we make sub-heading? Yeah, looks like I'm not sub-heading. Heading. Okay, looking like I'm looking for more trouble now. Let's put normal text. Okay. Yes. So yeah, we have everything now here. Then yeah, in a way, social media icons. So now what we want to do now is let me come here. So you should download the social media icons to where you have at the folder, and also for me here we have pictures and we have social media icon here in this folder. So I have mine here at a little big. So I want to put Facebook first. Yeah, let's just put it in this order. Yeah, so we do Facebook first. So I go down here, then I'll click here. Yay, you see, we got it. So I'm going to click on upload, then we'll go to, yeah, I'll click here, then I'm going to look for social media icon. Yes, and I'm going to click on Facebook and I say open. Let's see. Yay, it worked. So the idea now is, yeah, Facebook, and so let's move to the next one. Don't worry, we're going to come back to the linking, we're still going to double check everything to make sure it works the way we want it to work, right? Yeah, and in a way, I can see something. Okay, let's just do this first. Don't worry. We can always come back to that. So I'll go to the next one. You click upload, right? So I'll click on Instagram. Yes, and yes, they are coming. Okay, this looks cool. Then I'll go to Twitter. You click here, you put it here. Yes, it looks fine. Then it looks a little bit cut, right? Interesting. That's funny. Okay, I don't want it to be bigger than this. Interesting. Anyways, so I'm gonna click on this and we'll click on YouTube. Yay, voila. Oh snap, something went wrong while displaying your document. Okay, reload. Let's see what happened. So let's see what's wrong. Okay, one of the good things, like the benefits, yeah, I think my internet was a little bit not super fast, so yes, did malfunction, and in a way you could see, yeah, you still have everything just refresh, because everything actually auto saves here. Oh wow, this is taking us back. It wasn't saving. Oh, this is not good. Yes, but anyways, don't worry, we'll come back to it. So why is this here? Okay, this was the last save part. Okay, fine, it's okay. So I'm gonna click here and bring it there, right? So let's see that. Okay, cool, that's fine. It's okay. I think the internet went out, so yeah, it's a good learning point for us too. So I'll click this now and hold these, and I bring it here too. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna load the social media icons once more. Let's see. So I put Facebook here, Facebook here, I put Instagram here, then I put Twitter here, right? So then I put YouTube here, basically. Okay, cool. So what we'll do now is, yes, I noticed looks fine, upload an image, everything looks fine. Yes, good. So I like the space here. I did tab here. I just want like a little bit extra space, in between them, just to, give them ample, a little bit space more in between themselves, right? Okay, cool. So I think that's fine. So we can preview, I'm gonna click here, right? To preview. So I'm gonna click on preview and let's see. Everything should be fine. You see, our site looks beautiful, right? Yes. I think if you check this, if you see it, you should clap for yourself, So I like it in the way it looks fine, looks, yeah. So I don't know, but I'm even thinking the background here, yeah, because we saw the background here, is this color, but yeah, with this theme, yeah, I was thinking for the social media, I would have preferred everything down here should be plain, but it looks fine, but not plain, but maybe this is what I'm trying to say. Let's see, maybe that will bring more beauty. The contrast there wasn't looking too good for me. So let me click here, hey, I saw one, so I could come here now, click, section background. You can see there are two emphases, right? Yes, there's this one, exactly. Then, there's the plain one. So not like this, like the second one, let's see how it looks, basically. Yeah, so let's preview, I think it's going to give us more contrast here in a way. Oh, interesting. Yeah, it looks fine, but maybe we could put something in the middle here, just to differentiate it. Maybe like a divider, right? So let's do that, But yeah, the whole idea is to try and inspire you to put your own creativity, into what you're trying to achieve, right? So now I click on this, right? After this. So after this now, I want to put a divider here, right? So I put a divider here. And yes, I don't know, hide footer on this page. Okay, if we want to hide footer, we can hide it. Interesting. So, but yes, I don't want to hide it. Yeah, so I think what we're gonna do is let's just yes, yeah, let's give it this color so that we could just know that we're done with it. And yes, it's fine even with the divider, so let's see. So if it looks good now, yeah, I think we're good then. It's not coming up. Okay, yeah, it's coming. So let's see, we have this. I think that's like last part. So yes, of course, we have to test the linking. So yeah, let me just show us how, the social media linking. We could do that later, but yeah, we could try one here. Okay, I think this thing is not loading as fast as I want. So anyways, I think we have everything sorted now. It's done, so we're good. We're done with our homepage, and it's a good time to stop here so we can prepare, then come back. You can see everything's looking fine and all, but let me just link one of this so that you can see how it works, basically. So let me go to here now. Okay, this is my normal mail. Then yep, so I have a page here. So I just want to go to my Facebook page. I want to copy the link. I want to show us how the link, yeah, I'll just link one, then we could do the rest later so that I won't miss this part. So yeah, basically, so that's my Facebook page. Then yeah, I'll just go to the Facebook page for my company, which is here, Notify Information Center. So I'm gonna click here, right? So I'm going there now. Yes, it's loading. Okay, so once it loads, I'm just going to copy the path, right? Then I'm going to come down to here, yes, I'm putting it over it. So let me click this place to go out, of this place, then prepare for the link, basically. So I'm gonna click on Facebook now. Click. You see, once you click on it, you have this is like crop. If you want to crop something, then yeah, we're not cropping anyways. Yeah, let me see it. Are we cropping? No, I'm not cropping. Let's see, can we crop? Yay, no, we're not cropping. Thank you. Okay, so I just want to, yes, so I'm gonna click on Facebook, and this is a crop. No, this is link. You could see insert link. So when I hit insert link, it's expecting me to put something here, just like we did earlier. We were doing something like HTTP, right? These 2// and we did ABC, but I don't want us to do this. We could still get, yeah, but I want a situation whereby we test it, I click on it, and it takes me to that Facebook page, right? So I want us to put like something like a real link here. So this is my Facebook page, right? And you could see here we have, this is the address. You know, I want to copy all of it, but I know it starts from here anyways, you know. Yeah, so basically I'll go here now and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so I'm gonna click apply and everything looks fine. So the Facebook, everything's good. So I'm going to now go and yeah, let's see what's happening. Then yeah, preview the site, then we will test it. So we test. Yeah, so when I come here now, you see, you know, I've not clicked, but if I click now, you see it's taking me somewhere. Let's see, you see redirection and it's opening, you know, you can see notify IC up here and it's going to open, you know, yes, the Facebook page of, yes, the cute black man. Yes, you can see the black face. So yeah, so that's basically it. So this shows like we've completed the session. I hope we enjoyed it. So I'll meet us on the next one. Thank you.